Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay Rob Trip Reacts. Speaker Martin Romualdez said he running again for congressional seat in 2025 when asked about three Dutertes running for Senate. The speaker concise response. Ayan. Tatakbo pa rin ang Speaker Romualdez bilang congressman sa 2025. Alright? At nakatakdang tumakbo ang senador sa halalan 2025. Ayon kay BP Sara, ang tatlong miyembro ng pamilya Duterte kabilang na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ayon sa anak niyang si Vice President Sara Duterte. Kasama rin na aniya ang tatakbo sina Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte at 1st District Davao Representative Paulo Duterte. Ayan, tatlong Duterte tatakbo sa Senado. Ayan, magandang labanan yan. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez was asked about his plans for the elections. The official stated he will run again in 2025 midterm elections as later representative. His plans for 2028 were also inquired about. He answered these questions on the sidelines of the groundbreaking ceremony for the 13-story hemodialysis building at the National Kidney and Transplant Institute or NKTI in Quezon City.
Siguro mananatili muna ako sa first district ng Leyte and I'll just do my my work kasi marami pang kailangan itatapos din sa first district ng matagal pa yun.
Alongside this, the Speaker ensured that they will pass in the House the remaining priority bills of the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council before the end of 2024. Meanwhile, the House leader gave a concise response when asked about the plan of the Duterte father and sons to run for the Senate in the 2025 elections. It was Vice President Sara Duterte herself who announced that her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, her brother Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Pulong Duterte, and Davao City Mayor Sebastian Baste Duterte will run for senator. According to the leadership of the House of Representatives, any Filipino has the right to run as long as they meet the qualifications set by law.
It's a democratic nation that we live in, so any Filipino has the right provided that they have the proper qualifications to seek for higher office.
The Makabayan Bloc lawmakers have criticized the political plans of the Duterte family, labeling it as an example of political dynasty. They insisted that former President Duterte should just face the complaints against him, including those from victims seeking justice due to the bloody anti-drug war of the Duterte administration. Rosa Licuz,
Napanood po natin at napakinggan. Tatlong Duterte tatakbo sa 2025. Ayan, sang-ayon ba kayo dyan ayon kay Vice President Sara Duterte? At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood at pagkinig dito kay Rob Trip Reacts. At see you again the next one. And peace out. Thank you guys.